If you like our video, click the like button. Click the subscribe button to receive updates on our new video. Don't forget to share our video too.
Hello friends, today I would like to discuss an important sum related to insurance. Okay, now what exactly is the sum? So let's read it. Mr. X insures his property of rupees 1 lakh with 3 insurance companies A, B and C for 20,000, 30,000 and 30,000 respectively. So these are the policy values. Fire breaks out and causes a loss of 90,000. Okay, so this is the loss given. You have to calculate the claims from A, B and C each. So let's see how we solve this question. Now firstly we calculate the total of all the policy values. Now we had 3 policy values, right? So 20,000, 30,000, 30,000, and the total comes out to be 80,000. Now what we do is we compare this with the property value. Now what was the property value? 1 lakh. So 80,000 is less than the property value. Now in such cases what we do is we calculate the claim as usual. So the claim from A would be policy value of A upon property value into loss. Now policy value was 20,000 for A, property value is 1 lakh, loss is 90,000. So the value turns out to be 18,000. Similarly, claim from B would be, now policy is 30,000, property value is 1 lakh, loss is 90,000. So we get the claim value as 27,000. Now we move further. Claim from C. Now claim from C could be calculated similarly. Policy from C, that is 30,000, property value 1 lakh into 90,000, that is the loss. So again you get the claim value as 27,000. So this is how we calculate claim from A, claim from B and claim from C. Okay, now let's look at another example on similar lines. A person insures his go down valued at 1 lakh with 3 insurance companies A, B and C. Okay, and the policy values are 30,000, 40,000 and 50,000 respectively. Fire breaks out and causes a loss of rupees 72,000. Calculate the claims from A, B and C each. So let's see how different is this sum from the earlier one. Okay, so let's see how we solve this. Now in this case also we first calculate the total of all the policy values. Now here the policy values are 30,000, 40,000 and 50,000, which sum up to 1,20,000. Now here in this case 1,20,000 is greater than the property value. So here the claim is calculated slightly differently, right? Okay, in a slightly different manner. Now what is that? A claim from A, what is the original formula? It's policy upon property into loss. However, over here the claim from A would be policy value of A upon total policy value. Please remember this, total policy value into loss. So whenever you have the total of all the policy values greater than the property value, we don't use the property value, instead we use the total policy value, okay, while calculating the claim. Okay, into loss. So policy from A was 30,000, total policy is 1,20,000, loss is 72,000. So the claim value is 18,000. Similarly, claim from B would be policy from B, that is 40,000, total policy value will be 1,20,000 into 72,000, that comes to 24,000. And lastly the claim from C, it's the policy from C, that is 50,000 out of the total of all the policy values, that is 1,20,000 into 72,000, and that turns out to be 30,000. So this is how we calculate claims from A, B and C. Like it, share it, and subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos in future. Thank you.